Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the font color on a specific piece of text in Elementor. So let's jump into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go and find your heading that you want to change the color of the text on. And in my case, you can see here that we've got this very interesting heading, and I want to change the interesting part to green. So you're going to want to go to the editor here, and you're going to want to put a span before the piece of text that you want to change the color of. In this case, interesting. And then at the end of interesting, we are going to put a closing span. Once you've wrapped the text in the span, you're going to want to go and put a class on it. This is the class that we're going to select with CSS to change the color. In my case, I'm going to call it green text so that we can identify it easily. You're then going to want to go up to site settings and then come down to custom CSS. And this is where I like to put all of my CSS. You can actually put it wherever you want. I just like to put it here so that it's all in one place. So I'm just going to select my class of green text with CSS. Inside of here, you're going to want to type in color and then paste in the hex code of the color that you want your text to be. Then I'm going to hit save changes, and you can see that this change has already been applied. The interesting part is now green. Now that this CSS class is set up, you can use it on any piece of text that you want to make green. So I hope this video was useful. If you would like any of the code that I used in this video, please check out the description below for my blog post. Feel free to also check out some of my other videos on the screen now. And remember to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.